Hello everyone, our today's topic is bunch of flowers. Let's see the material required for the drawing: pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black marker tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper. First, you have to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page. Then, write down the heading on the top and date on the left hand corner. First, we are going to arrange the drawing on a paper. I already arranged on a drawing on a paper. Now I'm going to directly draw on a drawing for you. That's why I'm taking a clutch pencil to draw on a drawing, and lightly I'm going to draw, and then I'm going to finalize with the 4B pencil. For this assignment I'm taking a clutch pencil, 0.5 clutch pencil, because I required one linear line for this drawing. So that's why I'm taking the clutch pencil. In drawing pencils you didn't get one single linear line, because every time we need to sharp this pencil, but this advantage you get in a clutch pencil. So you can take zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.7 clutch pencil for the drawing, and you need to use 2B lead for this drawing. Don't use HB lead because it's lighter than 2B. So if you use 2B lead, then you get a darkened drawing here. First I arrange this drawing with a lighter drawing pencil, and now I am going to darken this drawing or finalize this drawing with this lead pencil. This is very much easier drawing for you. This is a kind of the decorative design drawing, but this is an advanced decorative design. Last time we learned on a bunch of flowers with the real flowers, but this time I am taking decorative flowers, different shapes and size of the decorative flowers, to learn a bunch of the flowers. After completing this drawing, we first color this all the flowers and leaves, and then trace with a black micro tip pen. If you want to use a 0 number brush for the tracing purpose, you can use and black color or the combinations of the brown and blue color, but I am not using this technique here. I am using black micro tip tracing technique here. The shape of this bunch of the flowers I am slightly take on a curve, so it's look like a decorative design, and also we can learn on different shapes of the flowers also. And because of this curve shape, we take the rhythm of the flowers, so it's look very good and beautiful. There are some flowers and the leaves and some designs on the flowers. Some part of the design we are not going to trace, only the main punch we are going to trace with the black micro tip pen. And also one more thing is there, that we are not taking more shades of the colors here, only few shades of the colors we are using here, only 3 to 4 shades of the colors we use here. So this really look like a decorative design. I think we are now going to complete our drawing, and we are going to start our coloring. Here we are using poster colors. If you want to use fabric colors or the acrylic colors, you can use, but you need to change your base. I am taking in drawing paper. You can take on a canvas also. I am starts with a yellow color. Depend on your design and the shape of the design, you need to decide where you want to use which shades. For the stem and the base of the flower, I am taking yellow color. Generally, in a real flowers, we are not using any yellow color. Stems are generally in a green in shades, but I am using a yellow color because this is a decorative design. After applying all the parts with the yellow color, we going to shift with the next tone, that is orange color. Now for the flowers petals, I am taking this orange color, fresh orange color I am going to use here. All fresh tones I am using in this decor design. No shading, no dimensions we are going to show here. Whatever dimensions we want to show, we show with the tracing technique. So we are now shift to our next shade, that is orange shade. All the petals of the flowers and some part of the design we color with the orange shade. Here some designs we color with the orange shade. Now we are adding some yellow color in it, so we can take a light orange color some part. Now I am taking a yellow ochre color, light yellow ochre color, because I am adding some white color in this yellow ochre, so it's looks on a fresh tone. And now some parts of this flower we adding this tone. All the fresh tones we are going to use here, so it's look decorative and attractive. Depend on of your design, you can change your shades also. Now I am taking green color in the flowers design, we are taking this green color, and for the leaves I am taking this green color. I am not taking directly green color, poster green color. I am adding slight amount of yellow color in it for the first tone, and now for this next light tone I am adding green, yellow and white combination, that is basic poster green plus lemon yellow and plus white color. So I am showing the next tone of the green color for the design and the leaves. Some part of the designs we color with this light orange color also, that I am going to show here. And after completing these applications of the colors, we taking a black Macotip pen for the tracing purpose. And in this tracing technique we add all the details and decorative parts. You can take pointed marker for the tracing purpose, or if you have a pointed pen 0.5 permanent ink pen, that also you can use here. Now you can see in this flower I am adding all the details. This kind of details we are going to add with this black Macotip pen. These details you can show with the 0 number brush also if you want to use. I am showing all these details with the black Macotip pen so that you better understand, and this is easier for you to show all the details. In the 0 number brush also you can show all these details, and you get more tones and strokes of the brush. But I didn't require all these different strokes of the brush in this kind of assignments. That's why I'm taking this black Macotip pen. Some part I am shaded with this black Macotip pen. You can say the lower part of this flower, the base of this flower, I am shaded with this black Macotip pen. And because of this tracing and some shaded part of this black Macotip pen, now this bunch of the flowers are come out from the paper. Also, we show the threads of the leaves with this black marker tip pen. I hope you understand this demonstration. This is very much simple drawing and painting of this decorative design of the bunch of the flower. With the reference of this design, you can make your own decorative designs of the bunch of flower also. So keep practicing, and thank you for watching this demonstration. Best of luck.